So everybody, I came to Joann's Fabric to find something because I still been lazy driving around the green car and haven't sold it. Copped up some more cars, so now has to go. But they got some good things. I don't know what to do, but we're trying to get something thick is what I'm told that'll work perfect on these cars. I like this one though. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I got this weird little design, but I just want it to look different. I don't care if they like it or not. But at least, you know, I'm walking a car and it'll look, you know, I don't know, a little bit of flavor. Some a bit different, but I don't know. I think it's nice. Sorry for the buyer, but they don't have a good one, so it's better than what they got. You picked it out?
I picked it out.
So I got these staples here. I'm painting them black for a reason. Oh, no way. Here's the fabric. Garbage for the green car. The green flip. So I'm gonna take that off while she watches me. This is our new fabric right here. Tools. M3 adhesive liner foam. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, so I don't trust these glues anymore, so I'm gonna go my route. That's why you see me paint those staples in black. So, there we go. Let's get this jump started. So, all cleaned up. All cleaned up. I'll go get that fabric. Right, Cookie? All done. All cut marks. The ridges here. You have this. All of them. Like it, Cookie? Oh, you probably don't. Probably eat it and poop on it. Well, it's in. Oh, adjusted. Looking good. Trying to get this car out of here. I like it though. Matches really nice.